Hello, it's Janet at Unique Raw Foods. Thank you for coming by. If you want to start now and do a thumbs up, if you like it, this is helpful. It's just how this YouTube works. And subscribing, of course, you're more than welcome to do that. The more the merrier with this sort of thing, I find. Hotel location, on location raw foods. Raw foods out of the kitchen. And we can go through some details and why. Why would you want to know how to eat in a hotel? Well, one is that with bringing our own foods, when I traveled, I took a bus ride yesterday, and this backpack was filled with food that I had already purchased, didn't want to give away, and it saved me from having to go out into, because we're in a city, I'm in a city in Ecuador, and I can use my time doing other things and relaxing, and there's a great park for walking around, exercising, just seeing what can happen and not have to be concerned with getting taxis and going to a market already when you have the food. So in this backpack I had put about 5 pounds of grapes, a small papaya, 3 mangoes, 3 small apples, there was some iceberg lettuce left over, very good green for traveling, a pitaya, and a few lemons. And I also had a small package of dates. I still have in 2 small containers. This was with lettuce, with some of the romaine, with some of the green lettuce I had found on the street here. It was very easy, 50 cents. Avocado went in here. Some mango was left over from this morning. It's very pleasant, and I find that it's very easy and digestible, very relaxing while traveling to eat your own food that you've made. Let's see. Here's a view of Cuenca, Ecuador. Can you see the river? These giant palms, mountains, beautiful lights, bathroom, clean. And here's some of the setup. That's half the lettuce I got yesterday. It keeps well in the sink. If instead of brushing teeth here, then I go over here, wash hands, wash everything. I wash out the bathtub with the shampoo they provide. For getting here, it's a nice clean place. So I bought this. I brought some avocados. This one is a nice ripe one. And they got a little smashed. But I have to say, what happens is they're not bruised. It's like having guacamole in a skin. The citrus, some of the reusable bags that I have from the grocery store today. I got some mushrooms. Here's some water. Under $4. Mushrooms, water. A tuna. This is from the cactus. It's a cactus fruit. This is a small sapote. It'll be orange on the inside. I couldn't resist. A couple local apples that I had gotten and brought good travel food. The mangoes are eaten. And then in here are the containers with dates from reused bags, some dates, and a reused container of the nut mix I made. If you don't make it very sweet, it's actually kind of, what do you say, patty-like. But again, it's very nutritious and handmade. It has a different quality than trying to find things in the state bought again. That's fun. And then here's out the window of the bathroom. So it helps. Doing this was worth the effort if it can be done. It wasn't a flight. I had leftover food that was very affordable. So then it makes it more affordable to be able to maybe up your accommodation and save on the stress if it's not going to be clean enough, or if you need help with getting buses or flights or these tests for traveling right now. Then the front desk is covered that way. They want to help serve you with your travels. So that was the advantage for me too, besides being able to make your own food and not have to worry about the restaurant. Of course you can go to a restaurant. However, I just find this is much more light. If you want to go to the restaurant, you can go out for something, maybe, I don't know what, special water. Find the raw food restaurant or go someplace, but there's no pressure to do that. And you can go here, there's a big park, just go over the river there, a big walking park, and it's very, very nice. And it's great to get out and get the exercise when there's 5 and 10 hour bus rides and 6 hour flights and 3 hour layovers. Okay, I hope that is very motivational for you, and that you want to stick around here and get more information this way. This is not the first time I've traveled this way. Oftentimes it might involve landing someplace and finding the place to get the food and bring it back. But each time is obviously different. And I'll say one more time, it's been very, very worthwhile and relaxing for taking care of yourself. Okay, hotel eating, raw vegan style, and delicious. Oh, so I'm traveling with a, this is a bamboo coated bowl that I had broken, so I just put it into my thing, fill it up with whatever in the suitcase, and it does make life easier. I travel with chopsticks, and they're also easy to find too at a Chinese restaurant. And it's handy to travel with like a bamboo spoon or something like that as well. Just keep it very simple. I often have kept them in my hair. There's all sorts of ways. And it's very light and convenient, and you can treat yourself right. All right. Be well, be strong.